Okay, so we've got a 2017 Mitsubushi Triton Exceed in a dual cab, automatic turbo diesel, nice blue colour, 42,000 Ks, reverse camera and tow bar, got the sports bars, nice set of alloy wheels, side steps, tinted windows, just presents like new actually. 5-year factory warranty from new. Just a beautiful car. Let's have a look at the inside. So we've got the multi-function steering wheel there with your cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there. Got the big Apple CarPlay screen there. Dual zone climate air. Automatic transmission with your 4-wheel drive options. It's also got the heated seats. Leather interior, like new. No wear or damage there. Does have the side airbags as well. Logbooks, couple of keys. There's your back seat there as well. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.